When you join the Stevens community, you're leveraging a 140-year legacy in engineering and business innovation and entrepreneurship. If you have an aspiration to be a technical leader within an organization, our program might very well be the ideal program for you. Today we are the largest academic program in systems engineering. We are playing a key leadership role in the discipline of systems engineering, where our faculty members today are leading the development of the body of knowledge for systems engineering as a discipline and developing a reference curriculum for a graduate program in systems engineering education. And so we are truly playing an active role within the broader systems engineering community and adding value in our role as leaders. When our students come into this program, we spend a lot of time on making concepts, abstract concepts such as systems thinking, more pragmatic. How do you actually work in an environment which is a high pressure environment driven by milestones and deliverables, and yet be a systems thinker? What are the tools you can use that allow you to think about a problem in a holistic way? And I believe the more you can think about the problem in a holistic way, the more you unleash your creativity as an engineer to come up with solutions that are more responsive because you've identified the right problem. Coming into the program, you have to be engineers, and what we try to do is give you the mental model, tools, techniques, the academic rigor that would allow you to stand out as a technical leader within an organization and truly play the role of a systems thinker, a person who not only is a good engineer, but an engineer who understands the business strategy of the organization and can align the R&D effort to realize the business strategy of the enterprise. We launched the systems engineering program at Stevens about 10 years ago. 10 years later, we are the largest systems engineering program, not only in the United States, but also in the world. And we have partnerships all around the globe. There is a real need within progressive organizations that realize the importance of systems integration, systems architecting, systems thinking as a key competitive advantage. A lot of our graduates from 7, 8, 9 years ago have leadership positions in industry and government today. A lot of them have titles such as Director of Engineering, Technical Director, Chief Architect, Chief Engineer, Engineering Fellow, and so on and so forth. A lot of our students have gone on to become technical leaders within their organizations. When I think of research and development in the emerging markets and the developing countries such as India and China and Brazil, more and more the R&D efforts within those ecosystems is moving up the value proposition. From doing low-level coding to software design and system design to software architecture, system integration. And as you move up this value proposition, the need for having technical leaders that understand not only the business proposition, but also what's possible in the realm of technology and engineering, and are able to look for synergies. Those kinds of technical leaders will be more and more in demand. This particular program that we have is not for everybody. This is for those select engineers who aspire to be technical leaders and can play that role on behalf of their sponsoring organizations and enterprises.